Hey guys, this is Mark coming to you from Thor. I hope everyone is doing well. A little underdressed today because it's 95 degrees and the entire state of California is on fire. Today we're going to be showing you the MaximusStar and StarTalk package. So this is our new low-priced camera that we have, full functioning PTZ. It comes with this fancy little remote. You can zoom in and out, change everything you want, and you can do up to 9 presets on there. So super easy to use. Right now I just have it plugged into power. It does come with a 10-foot USB cord. Plug that into your computer. It should install right away. There's no setup needed. And then you get to choose your own application to actually use the camera. So whether you're using Zoom, Skype, OBS, or the generic Windows app, it should work just fine. This is also the speaker if you want to go with the StarTalk package. USB, micro USB, directly into your computer, and that acts as a microphone and speaker. And I'm going to show you guys what it actually looks like on the computer using a couple applications and show you how easy the setup is. Alright guys, so we just showed you the MaximusStar. Now I'm going to show you where to find it on our website. If you scroll down from ThorBroadcast.com, click on PTZ cameras, and it's going to be right here, the MaximusStar. And we also have the MaximusStarTalk that comes with a Omnidirectional USB microphone. Again, this unit is really simple to use, only has a couple of inputs for your RS control, USB, and your DC. And this is everything that comes in the box with the remote. Again, really simple to set up. And I want to show you guys exactly what to do because we've been getting some calls about customers not knowing what to do when they get the camera. Well, it's USB, so if you just plug it into your computer, it will automatically load drivers. You'll see something in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen that'll pop up and saying it's installing drivers. So to check if you have it, you just go to your control settings, click on devices, other devices, and if you scroll down to other devices, there it is, just camera. Okay, so you can use a variety of programs. If you just type in the Windows key and type in camera, there's actually a free app that comes in that uses it. And let me pull that up. It's actually being used by another. Oh, I was using it in OBS. So again, if you take the camera app, and you can see here, we have the camera. And again, you can use a remote control, zoom in and out. You can do a whole variety of things with it, set up presets. As you can see, you can get in pretty good detail of a palm tree that's pretty far away, end of the street. You know, read the signs. It's actually, that's across the street. So you can see the zoom's pretty great. The color and everything looks solid. It's a really great camera, just plug and play, super easy to use. And again, this is just one of many apps. The camera does not come with any firmware or hardware, software that you can actually use a specific, type of program. Again, the camera was one. If you wanted to do Zoom, for example, I'll show you guys Zoom. So if you just start a meeting, right, start the video, there you go. It'll automatically show up because it's connected to your USB port to your computer. So now you can automatically just start doing videos in Zoom. That took less than just a few seconds, and you can be up and running and sharing your screen. It's that easy. Another program that people love to use is OBS. Let me see if I can pull that up for you and show you how to do that. There you go, here's OBS. And again, same image, right? And you can use the zoom in any of these programs. It will work just fine. And as you can see, it's really simple to use. You can use any variety of programs. And again, depending on what you're trying to do with it, once you're done, that's a whole nother story. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick show of how easy it is to plug and play. It took less than 10 seconds to install, another few seconds to just launch a program. So like I said, if you're just at your computer and hit Windows key and type in camera, there's a free app that comes with your computer that's just called camera. That actually works quite well if you just want to use it to take pictures of yourself in your own home. You know, it's really easy to use. And again, just want to show you what the camera can do itself. Very simple, very easy. And again, the remote that it comes with makes life easier. So let's say you plug it into a laptop and you want to take family pictures, you can actually direct the camera while you're actually looking at the screen. So it's super easy to use. Make sure you get a great shot. And again, this is full HD, 10 times zoom, USB power, and RS control all included. All right, guys, if you have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-521-8467. Again, that was the new Maximus Star and Star Talk. Thanks.